Hello beautiful people, welcome in my next video. Today we will be talking about how a happy relationship looks like. Many people are feeling like in their early stages when they are in love, and it is often mistaken with love itself. But it's not like that. It's like we are feeling we are on an exam, and we are asking the following questions: do we deserve love? Am I attractive? Do you want to see me without makeup? What I have to do for you to fall in love with me? And we trust the object of our feelings, but secretly inside we are still think with feelings and gratitude for ourselves and not for the object of our feelings, because we are hiding. We are trying to look perfect. We are not showing what our true self is. We don't take accountability, but this is the truth to be accountable, to see your partner in his positive sides, to hurt her from time to time, to see how he will react, and here authenticity is coming. This means that you have to stand for your self and your desires, not to give them to the other person. And people in happy relationships, they deal with conflicts more efficiently. They have less conflicts. Relationship cannot go without conflicts, even the perfect relationships. Let's say conversation is enough to see what you're feeling, what your partner is feeling, and to find a solution for the problem. People who love themselves from a long time ago, they are developing, let's say, something like a child accent, like child language, and start talking this way. They extinguish problems faster. This behavior is helping them to be more effective, to communicate with their children better, and life is becoming like a play, because it is a play, but we have too many personalities inside us, too many masks, and have to constantly choosing who should I be now, who should I be acting like at work, let's say, and in most of the situation. But in a relationship, it's not good to act. And in a good relationship, we have a better sexual life. The partners are used to their bodies. They like them what they are. They cherish them, and this is it for this part. let's say, another interesting thing. No, that's all for today. Thank you for your time. Bye.